How to fix Instagram followers stuck. Hello guys, in this short video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram followers stuck easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So to fix it, it's very easy. So first thing you have to do is just open the settings on your phone like this, go to the apps, and now go to the apps here, scroll down until you find Instagram, or if you didn't find it, just search for it here in the search bar, click on it like this, and now go to the storage, click here on clear data and clear cache, go back again. Now here click on the force stop, and after click on the force stop, now all what you have to do is go back again like this, go to the wireless and networks option, click on the Wi-Fi, and now here make sure to disable the Wi-Fi and enable it again. Go back and then turn on the airplane mode and disable it again. Now all what you have to do is restart your phone and reopen Instagram, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.